गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीवन आणि सभी को मेरा नमस्कार आणि नमस्कार माझ्या मराठी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो. So friends, let's move to the next letter, that is letter Y. Phonic sound of letter Y is Y. 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 So let's see the examples. Y, ya, yarn. Y, ya, yo-yo. Y, ya, yellow. These were the examples of phonic sound of letter Y. Let's repeat it. Y, ya, yellow. Y, ya, yarn. Y, ya, yo-yo. So phonic sound of letter Y is Y. 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 तो चलिए दोस्तों नेक्स्ट लेटर की ओर बढ़ते हैं. वो है लेटर Z. Phonic sound of letter Z is Z. 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 Let's see the examples. Z, Z, zero. Z, Z, zigzag. Z, Z, zoo. These were the examples of phonic sound of letter Z. Let's repeat it. Z, Z, zero. Z, Z, zigzag. Z, Z, zoo. So phonic sound of letter Z is Z. 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 Friends and children, till here we have seen phonic sounds of letter from A to Z. Please keep practicing again and again, again and again. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Happy learning.